always falling over and over. I'll get up.